Intricate intricate.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Intricate Devo. Here you will find easy to follow tutorials, helpful tips, tricks and step-by-step guides to make learning simple and practical. In previous video I have completed Java files. In this video we will complete how to create a files in Java. Before that, if you are still not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and like and comment the video, share with your friends. Let's get started. To create a new empty files in Java, you can use methods from both traditional java.io package and modern java.nio package. First one, Java using java.io.file.createNewFile. The createNewFile method of the java.io.file class is a classic way to create a file. It creates a new empty file automatically if and only if file with this name does not exist. If it return true if the file was created successfully, if it return false if the file already exists. It throw an IOException if an IO error occurred. Because it can throw a checked exception, you must handle it with a try catch block like this. We have to put a try and catch block to catch the error. Using java.nio.file.Files.createFile. To modern approach uses the files utility class from the nio.to API. This method is generally preferred in a new code. It creates a new file, failing if the file already exists. It returns the path to the newly created file. It throws an file already exists exception if the file is already there, which is more specific and often more useful than false written from old API. Like this, we have to create for this also try catch block. In this, it will give a file already exists exception. Create a temporary file. Sometimes your application needs to store a transit data that shouldn't be kept permanently. Java provides a convenient way to create temporary files that are typically stored in the default temporary file directory of your operating system. This is the path temp where we store this. Calling deleteOnExit is a common practical to ensure the temporary file is automatically cleaned up where your Java program finishes running. Next one, setting file permission nio.to. When using the modern java.nio.files.Files API, you can define a specific file attributes such as read, write, execute permission at the exact moment of the file creation. This is particularly useful on POSIX compliant file system like Linux and Mac OS. Other classes like FileWriter, FileOutputStream will also create a file if it doesn't exist when you try to open it or writing. I hope you guys understand how to create a files in Java. Next video we will discuss about how to write in files in Java. If you want these notes, means I will give in the comment box also. You can go from there and you can refer any tutorials you want like this. The next video we will see.